We go to a developing story now. TVJ News understands that multiple firearms have been found at the Montego Bay shipping wharf in St. James moments ago. Now we will have more details in subsequent newscasts. Two men are now in police custody in relation to the shooting death of a Jamaica Defense Force soldier on Tuesday. The men surrendered to the police on Wednesday and are now being questioned by detectives attached to the Major Investigation Division. JDF Private Daniel Crawford was fatally shot along Stevens Lane off Waltham Park Road about 8 p.m. on Tuesday. A policeman who was traveling with the soldier escaped being seriously wounded after also coming under attack. The police say the officer shot one of the gunmen after the man pointed a firearm at him. The gunman was shot multiple times but managed to flee the scene. The police say the cop was also shot at by a group of men in the community, but he managed to elude them. He was assisted by other officers who returned with him to the area where the soldier who was fatally wounded.